Welcome to this network configuration guide. If your phone system operates within an isolated network, perhaps running solely on a network switch without a dedicated router, the built-in DHCP server in HAPBX is an essential tool for assigning IP addresses to your devices. To access the DHCP settings, we must navigate to the Administrative section. Go to Admin, select Network, and then click the DHCP Server module. Here, you will configure the complete DHCP pool, define your IP address range, and the lease time. Crucially, specify your network parameters, including the Gateway, DNS Servers, and NTP servers for accurate time synchronization. Also on this page, you can define Option 66. This field is vital as it specifies the phone provisioning URL, allowing your phone devices to automatically pull their configuration and firmware information from the system. Under static leases, you can define static IP addresses for specific devices using their MAC address. You can prevent the DHCP server from serving IP addresses to specific interfaces if you're connected to multiple network interfaces. Ensure there is no other HCP server in the network to avoid conflicts, then click Save.